Good morning, friends. Welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about new techniques in ETL testing. Okay, so this is very short video, but very helpful and very needful video. So you can go through this complete video. You'll be going to understand some new techniques in ETL testing. So, but before that, if you are not subscribed to SQL Master, kindly subscribe to SQL Master and let's get started here. So these are the things points what I made here to show you people. So first one is real-time ETL. So traditional ETL processes often run in a batch mode, but there is a growing demand for real-time data processing. Technologies like Apache Kafka, Apache Flink, and Apache Spark Streaming enable organizations to process and load in near real time. So second one is data lakes and ELT. Instead of extracting and transforming data before loading it into data warehouse, many organizations are adopting an extract load transform approach. So that is ELT techniques. They load raw data into the data lake and perform transformation on demand within data warehouse using tools like Apache Hive or Apache Spark. And third one is serverless ETL. So serverless computing platforms such as AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, and Google Cloud Functions allow developers to build ETL process without managing the underlying infrastructure. This approach can lead to cost savings and increased scalability. Data wrangling and data preparation tools. So tools like Drifta and Paxata and Alteryx facilitate the data wrangling process by providing user-friendly interfaces for cleaning, structuring, and transforming the raw data. These tools are designed to empower business users and analysts to prepare data without extensive coding skills. So next one is like data integration platforms. Modern data integration platforms such as Apache Nifi, Talent, and Informatica offer comprehensive ETL capability with a focus on ease of use, scalability, and support for diverse data sources and destinations. So next one is about data mesh. The concept of data mesh involves decentralizing the data ownership and architecture. So this approach suggests treating the data as a product with the domain-oriented decentralized teams responsible for their data products. This can impact how ETL processes are designed and implemented in a more distributed and scalable manner. So machine learning in ETL. Integration of machine learning algorithms into ETL processes to automate data cleansing, matching, and transformation. So this can enhance the efficiency and accuracy of the ETL tasks over time. Containerization and orchestration. So the use of containerization tools like Docker and orchestration platforms like Kubernetes is becoming more prevalent in ETL workflows. This allows for better resource utilization, scalability, and easier management of complex ETL pipelines. Always stay updated with the latest developments in the ETL space because it's very essential to learn the new techniques in present technology. So as the technology continuously evolving and new techniques may emerge. So this is very important to know some key points to learn about new technology of about ETL testing. So for that reason, I made these short video. So I hope this will be helpful for few points that you can go to Google or YouTube and search for the new techniques what I mentioned in this video. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye friends. Have a nice day. Take care.